I'm just telling you to copy the strategy. For example, if you want to be a YouTuber and you don't know what to talk about, but you have a passion, you know like what you want to do. If you want to bake, if you want to cook, if you want to have recipes, if you want to like write a book of recipes, if you want to have like makeup, if you want to have fashion, just start. Do not wait till you are as perfect as the person you are envying, because they also had start from zero. And also see what they are doing. For example, they have like a very nice intro. Go find like intros like that. Focus on the intro. They are posting quite a lot. Do the same thing. They are posting only a few times a week. Do the same thing. They have like some certain things special about them. If it's a joke, if it's like, hey, welcome back, my name is this, or they have like something very special about it. Create something special for you that's just for you. Nobody has used it, nobody can use it, especially for you. So you cannot sit and copy somebody else, because you're just not going to be authentic to yourself, and your audience is not going to like it. Even if you are doing it like in real life, if it's a job, if it's something, your friends or your colleagues is not going to like it if you start copying them. Be authentic to yourself, but also copy your way to success by using their strategy, a strategy that has been used. For example, on TikTok, everybody's posting how to go viral, or how to get a job, or how to create an app. Do not go and copy the exact same app. Learn how to create an app and create something that you think that my people need it. For example, a to-do list for elderly. Or if you want to like have an app, or if you want to have a whole new thing, a device, or whatever it is. Do your own things. Do not copy others, but copy their strategy, copy their determination, their motivation. And number 3 is something that might actually help you is looking down and not just looking up. For example, for me, I'm creating online stuff. I'm on social media. I'm creating on YouTube, and that's not going super fast, but it's not going super slow either. There's people who has been posting for like 1, 2, 3 years and still not going viral, still stuck on 1,000 followers and stuff, 1,000 views. And me, who has been doing it for maybe like more than a year, I'm like, I have 700 followers. I do not have to look at the people who usually went viral in the first video they created. I can also look down at the people who has been trying for 3-4 years and still not where they are. So it's also one thing that helped me. You do not have to really go down and deep and be like, yeah, look at these people. They will never do it. They have done it for 4 years. They never got what they want. I will never get it too. Don't think like that. Be motivated, be disciplined, do the things you want, but also think like, yeah, that person got lucky. It's never luck, by the way. That person got what they want, but also these people who has never got what they want, and I'm in between, so I'm just grateful for that. So I gotta work harder and copy my way to success to actually be where I want to be. And everybody has their different stories. So this helps if you actually look down a little bit and see how like the people who has been trying super hard, or your colleagues who never got a promotion, who never got a pay raise, who just has been working for like 16 years at the same place, still their payment is lower than you, and you were like thinking why these people have so higher payment, like salary than me. You can also look down a little bit and think like, oh, look, these people who has lower salary than me, or maybe you can consider changing your job or changing career completely. All of those things you can do. You can just also look down just to calm yourself down and make the envy be a little bit less, or just disappear. And number 4 is practice their joy. This one is one of my favorite. Is, for example, somebody who's winning 1 million subscribers on YouTube. For me, is like, I see that joy, I see what that person does, and I'm kind of thinking like, okay, what will I do if I hit 1 million followers or subscribers? What am I gonna do? Of course, I want a cake, I want to like people to be around me. I'm imagining the day I will receive the YouTube button, the gold one. I'm imagining like when they receive it, and I'm looking at it, how like excited they are, and I also like literally I'm looking at the screen, I'm smiling, I feel their joy, and I'm also at the same time manifesting it how I will do when I got mine, planning it. Yeah, where will I hang it, where shall it be, I should take pictures with it, and I should like post it on my Pinterest so people will see it. I'm like imagining all of those things. So instead of feeling envy, yeah, like this person got it, I'm more like, oh, that's super nice. I'm so excited for the day that I will get it too. It helps, it like, the mindset shift. You're gonna get this negative thought, you're just gonna shift it and send it back positive. It was like, oh, that person got 1 million subscribers in just 1 month. I have been trying for 1 year. I'm just like thinking, oh my god, that's super nice. Imagine the day I get it. Imagine the day my things are actually watched by people and people actually loves it. And imagine the day I'm gonna get all of those positive comments and people supporting me and people knowing my name. And number 5 is practice admiration. Like, admire the human beings. Like, imagine somebody could have this. It means I can have it too. Imagine 10 people could have this. I can have it too. Imagine, like, at your job, like, there's some people who has higher salary than the boss and making more money than the boss. I can have it too. Which means I can have it too. Like, they started not long ago and look where they are. They're literally a boss. I can have it too. Instead of being so like full of envy, be like, oh my god, you did that in 5 years, you became a boss in 5 years. And there's people who's like trying for 13, 16 years, have been working at the same job with the low salary. Instead of doing so, be like, oh my god, you could do it in 5 years. Imagine me, which is so ambitious about it. Like, I want to do it. So instead of envy, admire the human beings for doing all of those things. Admire somebody who's reading like 10 books a month. You can do it too. Admire somebody who built a multi-billion dollar business from scratch. Imagine Iman Gadzhi made it from zero. All of those people, he made his mother proud. If he could do it, you can do it too. Admire that human being who did it, who could build something so big with like that time. Who was even doing that? Who was even thinking it? Like, right now we have so much more opportunities, so much more tools and access to everything. We can do anything we want. If he could do with that load of tools, you can do it definitely. So admire human beings, admire their creation, and also think that you can do it. It's possible. I can do it too. If you can do it, I can do it. If you could do it in 2 years, I can do it in less than 2 years. With this video, I just want to say you can actually get whatever you want. And envy is something you do not have to fight. I did not have to fight my own envy. I just had to redirect it. I just had to use it in a good way. If somebody can do it by posting 2 or 3 videos a month, I can do it by posting 10 videos a month. Redirect the envy into something good to change your own life. Show people that you are actually worth of the things you are doing. Like, show people how to do it. And people who envy you, they're gonna write a lot of hate comments. They're gonna say a lot of things that's too big for you. Your dreams are too big. You are delusional. Yes, you should be delusional. I was just before I started this YouTube video, before recording, I was just scrolling through YouTube and then through TikTok, and then a girl was like, oh, my brother has like 1.5 million followers or subscribers on YouTube. And she was like, I just realized, how did he do it? Delusional. And the brother commented, I opened the comment, and the comment, his brother commented, was like, 100% it's delusional. Be delusional. Envy is not going to gain you anything if you do not know how to use it, how to redirect it. And envy has shown through history, has done a lot of bad things to people who did not know how to use it. And I do not want you to miss out on that, bestie. So I want you to actually use envy in a good way. I do not want you to be that miserable, sad person who's giving up on everything because you feel in envy. You feel like people are lucky. Instead of doing so, you got to go out there and get the things you want. So thank you guys so much for being here, and I am here with every step of your self-love journey, with your growth journey. I want you to be the best person you could ever be. I'm reading books, I'm reading all the books so you don't have to. I'm watching all of those podcasts every single day so you will also learn from them and also learn from me. I want you to be the best person you could ever be, and I'm here for that growth in 2026. Thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. See you next Friday with a brand new video. Do not forget to check all of the links in the caption. Thank you guys so much for being here. Again, love you all. Bye-bye.